Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. In today's video we will discuss how to set up Netgear EAX20 WiFi 6 Mesh Range Extender. The Netgear EAX20 is a Wi-Fi 6 mesh range extender that boosts your existing Wi-Fi coverage and speed. It works with any router to extend strong, fast internet to hard-to-reach areas in your home. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful for you. Firstly, plug your Netgear EAX20 into a power outlet close to your main router. Wait for the power LED on the extender to turn solid green. This may take 1 to 2 minutes. On your smartphone, laptop, or PC, go to Wi-Fi settings. Look for and connect to the Netgear_EXT Wi-Fi network. His is the default network broadcasted by the EAX20 before setup. Open any web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, etc. In the address bar, type http://mywifixt.net or http://192.168.1.250. You'll be taken to the Netgear Genie Smart Setup page. Click New Extender Setup. Create an account, or log in if you've already set up a Netgear account before. Select Wi-Fi Range Extender as the setup option, not access point mode. The extender will scan for nearby Wi-Fi networks. Select your main Wi-Fi network name, SSID, from the list. If you have both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz networks, select both. Enter your router's Wi-Fi passwords when prompted. You can use the same network name as your router for seamless mesh roaming. The extender will now apply your settings and reboot, may take 1 to 2 minutes. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.